Alright folks, welcome back again. So he got all the seeds out, so we're gonna go to phase 2 of this now. Alright, so here we go. Add more water to it. Like he's gonna blend some more. So it's just to get the juice, you know what I mean, circulating. Alright. You know, black man's gonna drink a lot of it tonight. So yeah. Alright, so there we go.
Let the blender cool down a bit.
So the blender cool. Oh, he got the blender running hot. He need a heavy duty ninja. Crush that. Yeah, see that thickness right there? So yeah.
Blend on some more.
So you want it?
I want to get it smooth.
You want to get it smooth?
Yeah.
So he's gonna blend some more. So
I
he
want
wants
to
it
blend
more
it.
smooth.
You can blend it out the right way, you don't have to strain. Can't just use the same.
So we say if you blend it in a certain way, it doesn't have to strain. Or you strain, get some of that pulp out. But yeah, that's his philosophy right here. So we're gonna work with him and see. So he's still doing his thing. So he's checking from portal to portal. Okay. Final blending up now. So now he's gonna add some brown sugar in, original Jamaican sugar cane. Brown sugar, so sugar cane, brown sugar. I guess you sweeten to taste. Vanilla, right? You said vinegar. So we're gonna put some full of, yeah, I see the brand you're using. That's a real Jamaican vanilla right there. Yeah, Benjamin's. It's very popular in the island. So he's gonna measure. The first time I ever seen him use a measurement. So 3 spoons. For one big sour sap and a little sour sap. You want the ginger or not yet?
No, blend the ginger.
Alright. So he's gonna do some more blending. So he's putting in some fresh lime in. So you're squeezing the strainer not to get the seeds in. Okay, so we use lime because we're not going to use milk. See, my wife doesn't drink the milk, and sometimes I don't do milk myself too, but I like it with milk and with a Guinness or with a Dragon Stout in there. Guinness Stout or maybe a Dragon Stout.
Yeah, man, sometimes I bother you, because sometimes hard. Yeah.
Gonna add some fresh ginger, so we're gonna just wash the ginger, and I think he's gonna grind up the ginger. So he's gonna grate to the ginger. Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
So much spice, you know?
That's nutmeg. So he's gonna grate some nutmeg, fresh nutmeg, give it some more spice to it. Probably add a little bit of cinnamon to it too. Add some water to it, okay. The blend is still going. So now we're getting to the final stage where we're gonna grind up the ginger. Add it to here. So grinding that up, it's gonna come to an end. It's gonna pour it in here. He's gonna strain it off. Then we're gonna I think you add the vanilla to it, just maybe sugar that's left, and that's it. And I'm getting a cup. I don't want no ice. So he strained that off. So the nutmeg and the ginger.
Yeah. So we are go.
Use the spoon.
So we just put ginger and taste it because you don't want it too.
Yeah, you don't want it too much ginger. Too much ginger can make it spicy.
Yeah, so you have to go where I do it and taste.
Yeah, I learned that. I had this ginger juice in the thing one time, and I tell you, I put too much ginger. I didn't know it was, well, they say, ginger juice. I didn't know ginger juice was going to be spicy. Man, that thing said hallelujah. It was hot. So, alright, so this is what we got now. Yeah, get a new spoon. Alright, so now we're going to stir that. Do a taste test. Some more sugar.
Give me one more spoon. I'm going to put the sugar there. I'm going to put one more spoon.
Another spoon for the sugar?
No, I use that spoon.
Okay, so we're using the Jamaican brown sugar.
Yeah.
Real sugar cane.
No, it's too sweet.
Brown sugar, yeah. Alright. So we're getting there. Chef Gavin in the house. He doesn't like the camera, folks. His camera is shy, and I keep on telling him he's gonna do a world-renowned chef. So, and he don't want to be in the camera. So he's gonna do a taste. I'm gonna do a taste. He's drinking, folks. He's telling me to go ahead. Give me the pour some in there. So look at that coming out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. This is ready, folks. Good to go. So, folks, you see that, right? We got the fresh sour sop. We got some ginger. We got the sugar cane. We got some Benjamin's vanilla. We got some nutmeg. And that's it. We say voila. Oh, and some lime. So we did not use milk. We used some lime, all right? So, guys, yeah. Please comment, you know what I'm saying, like and share, and let me know, you know what I'm saying, on what you think. Tomorrow, I'm going to do some some soursop leaf tea, okay? All right, folks, thank you all. Thanks for watching, and keep it going, okay? All right, y'all have a good one. Thank you.